my name is Adalina Nagel, and I'm going to be talking about sharks for a little while, just because I really love sharks and I've always loved to tell people about them. Sharks don't really like to eat people. Multiple experiments and studies have shown that sharks really aren't all that interested in the smell of human blood or the taste of human flesh. And when sharks attack people, they don't usually eat them. So, from that, we can infer that sharks don't really like the taste of people all that much. Another really interesting adaptation that sharks have is called counter shading. So any 3D object will be darker on the bottom and lighter on the top because of how light works. So to compensate for that, sometimes animals are darker on top and lighter on the bottom, and that makes them look flatter in the water because of that contrast. There's actually a lot of animals that have counter shading, so not just sharks like this great white shark here, but also penguins like this Gentoo penguin have counter shading too. Another thing I want to talk about is shark teeth. So when people think of shark teeth, they probably think of something really big and sharp and scary like this great white shark here. But sharks actually have a lot of different kinds of teeth. For example, this Port Jackson shark up here has rough, hard teeth that are more made for grinding things up and crushing shells, rather than the great white shark's teeth, which are made for ripping and tearing. Some sharks, including the two largest sharks in the world, the whale shark and the basking shark, don't even have teeth at all because they use filter feeding, which is where they swim through the water and collect plankton in their mouths. Sharks have rough scales called dermal denticles, which literally means skin tooth, and as you can see here, they do kind of look like teeth. They're sort of rough but also streamlined. That streamlining helps them to be faster in the water. A lot of shark species have to swim to breathe because they have to push water over their gills. This is called ram ventilation. But some sharks, like this nurse shark here in the middle, can actually breathe by pumping air over their gills using their mouth, which is called buccal pumping. Most sharks have 5 gills, but some sharks, like the Sixgill shark down here, have 6 gills or even 7. Another interesting thing about sharks is that they can actually help with climate change because they help to keep fish populations intact so that they don't eat up too much of plant life that might be helping to absorb carbon dioxide from the air. Sharks are incredibly important to our ocean ecosystems, and it's very important that we help to protect them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Here's a list of some of the sources that I used. Full citations and credits for the images in this presentation are in the video description. Thank you.